pizza on my hands. Living with you for at least 3 months. Wait, I'm confused.
It's for common law.
I was like,
I thought Death and Soups got married.
Me too!
As you were joined by the Canadian government. Oh.
Oh shit, sorry. I'm still reading. There's so much to read about.
And Choice spending your honeymoon.
I like that. Been crying so much.
I wish that meant
Oh, you were both tied into the same rope of
What wedding was that set? Oh my God.
As you were joined by the Canadian government.
Beth wrote that actually. You can see like who wrote with what with like what pen.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
Thank you guys. Oh, you're not videoing, are you? Oh, no, this is video. Oh, great.
We're like
Thank you guys. Wait, there's something more in it.
If we live together in domestic partnership for 1 year, then we're common law, which means that if we break up, I can technically sue him for half of his belongings.
You weren't supposed to know that. Well, you can sue me for half of my Canadian belongings.
Your left testicle, please. Oh, that gets so cute.
I don't think you'd get that, but
you open it. They're your friends.
Canada's a foreign government. They're your friends too. You can open this part. Did they get us China?
Is it a gravy boat? Is it a gravy? Oh my gosh. It's stuck together? I don't know how to do it.
It's one piece. Gravy boats are always one piece.
Like a traditional wedding present is to get someone a gravy boat?
Yeah.
This is awesome.
This is a gravy boat.
It is a gravy boat.
I never owned a gravy boat before.
We could put chalk in it.
Ooh. No.
Thanks, guys.
Chalk? Werther's?
Werther's like old people candy?
Oh, you could. Oh, that's really cool.
We're fake married in a fake country.